Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial: how to create a gold leaf text effect. Create a dark texture background first. Type your desired text using a serif font. Apply bevel and emboss for metallic shape. Now add a gold texture and clip it to the next layer. Set blend mode to overlay for its richness. Use gradient overlay for light reflections. Apply inner glow for depth. Paint soft highlights with a small brush. No duplicate, and blur slightly for shine diffusion. Now add sparkles using white star brushes, and then apply curves to boost contrast. Add slight shadow for realism. Your gold leaf text now shines with luxury. Thanks for watching.